Mrs. Amor Parunga.
Yes, Amor Parunga.
Yan, talaga namang namigay ng blessing.
Yes, kaya po siya ay blessed din kasi siya. Yes. Babae mo na. Yes. Okay. Alright. So ganito po, ladies and gentlemen, nagkaroon po tayo ng
Slight misunderstanding, misconception. Ang ating po palang Miss Photogenic ay napili na prior to the event. Ano, kumuha po ng mga pictures ay ang ating sponsor. Pinagbasihan po ang kanilang mga pictures nung kinuha na ng ating sponsor. Yan ay si Ayan. Ang ating Miss Photogenic sa Mutya is candidate number Yan. She's no other than Raisa Ibaala. Ikaw ba ilan? Ayan. Ayan. On October 23, 2014. He's 9 years old now, and his hobbies are singing, playing basketball, wearing jersey. Her favorite color is blue, red, and green, and his motto is trying is the best way to succeed. Once again, our Mutya at Ginoon number 3.
Her birthday is November 9. He was born in 2011. He loves singing, reading, listening to music, writes poetry, playing chess, and basketball. Her favorite color is black and white, and she believes that every problem gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. Daughter of Rainier de Maala and Grizzly Paniban. Mutya number 2. Princess Raisa P. de Maala.